Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can do Digistore24 affiliate marketing, how you can leverage a huge free traffic source to promote your affiliate products. And I never shared this method before, so make sure to watch entire video. And also, if you are a beginner, make sure to watch entire video because I'm going to show you step by step how to set up everything. And like I said, it will cost you nothing. So make sure to watch this video very carefully. So first thing you need to do, you need to go on Digistore24 and you need to register. Digistore24 is absolutely free and it is available worldwide. So no matter where you live, you can register on Digistore24. After you register, you need to go on Digistore24 Marketplace. And now you need to choose your niche. So let's say I'm in weight loss niche. So what I need to do, I need to scroll here and I need to click on fitness and health. And the reason why I have chosen weight loss is because weight loss is a big and hot niche. And that means there is lots of little sub niches where competition is not that big, it's not that strong, but yet people are still buying products in those small niches. And that means I can make money in those small niches. So I will actually convert this in US dollars. I live in Europe. That is why by default, all the prices are in euros. And I will sort this by sales rank. So now what you need to do, you need to research all of these products because you wish to promote only good products. So let's say I wish to promote this product here, Keto After 50. Now keto is a big sub niche of weight loss, but keto after 50 is a sub niche of keto. And competition is not that big, it's not that strong, and yet I can make good money in this sub niche. And here you can see cancellation rate is only 1.7%, and I can make on average $5.10, which is a good price. So what I need to do, I actually need to open their sales page and to check their sales page because like I mentioned many times before, sales page is really important because if it is a good sales page, you can make more sales. But if it is a bad sales page, that means you will make less sales and that means you will make less money. And also, we will use their sales page later. So this looks like a good sales page. So now when we have our product, next thing we need to do, we need to make a bridge page. And the reason for that is because many websites do not allow direct affiliates links. And that is why we need to create a bridge page. And for that, this time we are going to use Google Sites. And you will see later why we will use Google Sites. And if you have Gmail account, you have Google Sites. And Google Sites is absolutely free. And this is one of my keto bridge pages, just to show you how this looks. And in many of my previous videos, I actually showed you how you can easily, in just 5 minutes, create bridge pages in Google Sites. Here you can see I opened this bridge page with a title, Keto Diet Meal Plan. And here you can see I opened the article with an interesting and eye-catchy image. I always suggest to open your articles with an eye-catchy images, and please use royalty-free images. You can find royalty-free images on Pexels, on Pexabay, or on Unsplash. Just use those websites. Don't go on Google Images and use those images. Those are not royalty-free images. And when you scroll here, you can see rest of my bridge page. And here you can see in big blue letters, get your custom keto diet plan. Just to catch their eye, just to get them click on this link here. And when they click on this link, they will go to the sales page of the product that I promote in this bridge page. And like I said, here you can edit everything. And I showed you many times how to do that. So just watch one of my previous videos to see how to make these pages in just 5 minutes. So now when you have your bridge page, now you need to start driving traffic to that bridge page. And for that, we are going to use Quora. Quora is getting more than 500 million visits every month. So what you need to do, you need to search weight loss related questions. So simply here in search bar, just type weight loss and then click here on search to find weight loss related questions. And here you can see there is many weight loss related questions. And what you need to do, you need to answer on all of these questions. That is what most people don't do. They simply answer on 1 or 2 questions and they expect to make thousands and thousands of dollars. That won't happen. You actually need to answer on as many as you can of these questions. And trust me, you need to answer on at least 20 or 30 questions in your niche in order to start getting traffic from Quora. And you need to provide high quality and informative answers. That is the key of success on Quora. But another thing that you can do is you can go on a website called Answer the Public. It is absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything. So what you need to do, you need to scroll here, and here you need to type weight loss and click search. And Answer the Public will give you most searched questions related to weight loss. So let me just scroll here, and here you can see, okay, let me just make this smaller, okay? And here you can see all the weight loss related questions. Let me just make this a bit larger, okay? And let me just close this. And here you can see when questions, are questions, where questions, will questions, how questions are usually best questions. And here you can see even more questions for, can, with, and so on and so on. Here you can see comparisons. Here you can see alphabetically these questions. And when you scroll here, you can even see related niches, sub-niches of weight loss. Here you can see, for example, weight loss shakes, weight loss calculator, weight loss pills, and so on and so on. And you can use these to get ideas for weight loss sub-niches that you can use, because in these sub-niches, competition is not that big, it's not that strong. But like I said, I like to use how questions. So for example, you can go here and find how questions. So let me just make this a bit larger, okay? And for example, let me just find the question, how to lose weight without exercise. Many people wish to lose weight, but they don't want to invest any effort in that. And that is why they are looking for ways to lose weight without exercise. So what you can do, you can simply go on Google, and here in search bar you can type how to lose weight without exercise, and then click search. And you will see there is lots of websites who actually wrote articles about how to lose weight without exercise. 11 proven ways to lose weight without diet or exercise. 9 ways, 14 ways, 50 ways, how to lose weight without working out. 60 proven tips, and so on and so on. And what you need to do, you actually need to rewrite one of these articles and then just go back on Quora, and here just search how to lose weight without exercise. And then click here search, and Quora will give you questions related to this term. How do I lose weight without doing exercise? Answer on all of these questions and link back to your bridge page that you made on Google Sites. What you can also do is you can find rare questions that people are searching, but nobody asked that on Quora, because that means that there is no competition on Quora for that, and people are searching that. So go back on Answer the Public, and let's just find one of those questions. So we can just make this smaller. For example, this question here, will weight loss help LBS? Here, when you click here you can see search results on Google. And what you can do is you can simply copy this, for example, and go back on Quora and try to find, are there any related questions on Quora? And click search. If there is no related questions on Quora, you can simply click here on add question, and you can ask that question, just add question. Ask that question and then create another account, another Quora account from your cell phone, and then be the first person who answer on that question. And as we saw on Answer the Public, people are searching for that question. And here on Quora, there is nobody who actually asked that question, which means there is literally no competition on that question. And all the traffic will go to us because there is no competition, and we will send all of that to our landing page, to our bridge page, and all of that traffic we will send to our Digistore 24 affiliate product. Without any competition, even if you are a beginner, you can still make money with this method. So this is how you do Digistore 24 affiliate marketing as a beginner without website, by driving free traffic. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.